Okay, guys, in honor of my birthday party, it's time to play Pin the Tail on the Donkey.
Last year, I pinned the tail on a real donkey. I was in the hospital for a week.
Trust me, Lyle, this year, no donkeys. You're getting warm. Hot! Oh, you're burning up!
Never trust an elephant on his birthday.
Finding this printing press at the Rust-In Peace Dump is just the break I've been waiting for. Being editor-in-chief of Freeborn's first daily newspaper will finally allow me to flex my intellectual muscle. That's one big muscle.
Must be some kind of genius.
The most important thing is to come up with the right name. Something with class that'll attract the herd, bolster subscription.
The Daily Moose?
I got it! The Freeborn Herald.
Hey, Tito. Hot off the presses? Eugene, I hear you're starting up a newspaper, so you'll need an experienced journalist.
What makes you think you're reporter material?
I got the nose for it. Plus, the right hat.
You're hired. This is a momentous day. The Freeborn Herald hit the newsstands this morning.
I can't wait to check out the circulation numbers.
Newspapers! Get your newspapers! Like to read a paper, mister?
Read it? I wrote it. What I want to know is how many copies of the first edition we sold.
One? Roadkill has better circulation.
One subscriber today is worth 1 million tomorrow. Who bought the only copy?
Lyle. He was very enthusiastic.
I thought Lyle was a cut above the rest. We must go and congratulate him on his good taste.
Man, oh man, this newspaper is perfect. It's twice as absorbent as my old drop cloth. Eugene!
Absorbent? That's what you think of my newspaper?
Absorbing! I meant absorbing!
You try and do something good. To bring a little enlightenment.
Cheer up, Eugene. The one and only issue of the Freeborn Herald obviously had a lot of entertainment value.
But no one read it.
What if you gave them what they want?
Tabloid news. I refuse to lower myself to their level.
Darn! Just when I found a use for this old camera.
You've got a camera?
They say a picture's worth 1,000 words.
Tito! Fire up the press! We're back in business! We're gonna give new meaning to the word paparazzi. It's tabloiderific. The Freeborn Tattler hit newsstands today with all the gossip that's fit to print.
Your business is our business. That sounds like trouble. What do you know? Comics! What's all this, New? I just got this TV satellite dish. It gets 500 stations. Cool. Where's the TV? TV?
Being a paparazzi is tougher than I thought. I've been all over Freeborn, and I can't buy a headline. Nothing's happening.
It would be a whole lot easier if you could just make stuff up.
But that would go against the journalist's code of ethics.
It sure would. Make everything easier, that is.
Extra! Read all about it! Lyle kidnapped and replaced by robot! Form an orderly line, please.
Robot? Me? Can you believe this nonsense? Hand back the real Lyle.
I am the real Lyle. This is all lies.
Ah! Robo Lyle is coming! We're being invaded! They're here!
Extra! Father embarrasses only son.
Paparazzi punch-up? New attacks reporter outside entertainment hotspot. What was I thinking?
It didn't happen, New. Dodo made it up to sell papers.
Phew! Thought I'd really stepped in it that time. But then, if I didn't attack the photographer, then you
Aren't an alien. Right.
Nice try, E.T.
Ugh! This is supposed to make me look more beautiful? Geesh, great timing. Everyone knows today's when I do my face. Who is it?
Pizza!
I didn't order pizza. Go away.
Telegram!
Huh? Speak up. I can't hear you. I'm not going to let Eugene get away with this, even though no one would be stupid enough to buy an alien invasion story.
Ah! Alien attack! Ah!
Relax, New. It's not true.
But it's in all the papers.
Don't believe everything you read. Eugene, I demand you to print a retraction to your last headline.
Certainly. The freeborn tattler didn't get where it is today by ignoring his readers.
What did he say?
It'll be in tomorrow's edition.
Hey, Eugene, about that story you wrote about me.
What about it?
Spelling was great, grammar was perfect, and the syntax was stupendous.
Thanks. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a paper to run.
That was a little too easy.
It's gotta be here somewhere. Eugene promised. Wait, I think I found something.
Where?
There, at the bottom of the page, beneath the classified ads.
Oops. Sorry. We made a boo-boo. Who's going to see that? That publishing pachyderm has gone too far.
I can't believe you're against freedom of the press, Lana.
Freedom of the press is about telling the truth, not the half-truth.
You're yesterday's news. I gotta dig some dirt for my next headline.
I wonder just how deep Dodo is willing to dig for a story.
Hey, what are you two trying to hide?
Nothing! Don't be silly.
None of your
Nothing at all.
business.
All right, back off. Dodo smells a story. Just remember, there's no hole deep enough to bury the facts once Dodo's on the case.
You're a genius.
Oh! What's this? Dare I say, pay dirt?
Hold it right there, Tito! No one stops the presses but me! Me or a 10-ton meteorite?
Bad luck, Eugene. It looks like the end of the freeborn tattler.
That's okay. The paper business is yesterday's news. Today's communicators must understand shorter attention spans.
Tabloid TV?
Elvis, an alien, is Freeborn part of the new tour. Today on Talk TV.
Eugene!
Okay, guys, in honor of my birthday party, it's time to play musical chairs. You know the rules. Last one to sit down doesn't get a chair.
Round and round they go. Where she stops, nobody knows.
Hey, where'd Tito run off to?
Beats me.
I don't know.